our day 3 here in Brunei. It's already 11 a.m. We're just gonna go get food and then mag-prepare kami to go sa Water Village. Yun lang ata yung activity namin today. This is our last full day here in Brunei. Ano yung bestseller nyo dito, ate?
Chocolate yung kambing. Yan ang aming bestseller.
Isa po, buttermilk chicken. Surprisingly, yung mga food nila is affordable lang. Okay, we also went sa money changer since nagko-collect kami ng mga currency ng mga countries na napuntahan namin. And yung 20 bill is, sabi nila, very rare siya na makuha. And they said na if you want to have 20 bill, you can go sa mga money changer nila. And they gave us 20s. Ang ganda ng 20. And also, they are very kind to give us the old 5 bill. And sobrang ganda, as in, ang colorful niya. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga bill ng Brunei dollar. And yeah, it's just nice na makakita ka ng kapwa mo Pinoy sa ibang bansa. I don't know, I feel so happy every time. And ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na sobrang gandang $5 bill ng Brunei. Sobrang ganda ng details, ang ganda ng kulay. We got the 20. Ito yung sabi nila na rare lang. Yung mga locals din, nagko-collect din sila neto since madalang mo lang siya makuha. Now we're back in our accommodation and kakain na kami ng brunch namin. It's gonna be our breakfast and lunch. So now we're gonna try. This is their local noodle.
Spicy.
We ordered this buttered chicken. Malaki yung serving. Oh, egg.
Coconutty.
Yes, kasi may coconut siya. Magata yung lasa niya. Parang chicken curry sa atin pero mas milky yung flavor. Milky! I'm also gonna try this Portuguese egg tart. Pero hindi crunchy yung labas. Mas masarap siguro to kung crunchy yung labas.
How much is it?
Kampong Ayer.
Welcome.
Thank
You
you.
from?
Germany.
Okay.
You?
My friend, my Germany. And then today I come back. Come here.
Come back?
Yes, my friend. Germany. This one. Filipino.
Yes, Filipino.
Marunong ko hindi mo makita mga si monkey. Meron monkey. Maganda.
Guys, we are now here at the Water Village or the Kampong Ayat. Medyo scary. Ayan lang, yung dadaanan nyo. And some woods ay sira-sira na. So, kailangan nyo mag-ingat. Kakatakot. Medyo marupok na yung ibang kahoy. And look at that. Of colorful houses here. Para akong nasa Running Man PH. So, if you can see, they also have mosque here. And then, those nice roof. Yun yung mga modern na bahay dito sa Water Village. And the cat's still following us. He's our tour guide. So guys, Kampong Ayer or the Water Village is yung pinakamalaking water village sa buong mundo. Dito sa water village ng Brunei, around 30 to 40,000 yung mga nakatira dito. May part pa rin na traditional houses, which is yung mga wooden bridge. And then this area, kung saan kami ngayon, is yung mga may modern houses na, and yung tulay is sementado na siya. Unlike sa mga tulay doon, isang malaking community siya, and then connected lahat ng bridges niya. So, kapag nandito ka, para kang nasa maze. So, here guys, you can see the contrast of the old houses here sa Water Village and then the modern houses. Guys, this is the Jabal Rama house. It's very interesting kasi this water village also have a lodging. Ang ganda ng mga painting. So we're now done touring the Kampong Ayer and we're just gonna wait sa ferry. I think pupunta naman ata sila dito kapag may nakita silang pasahero. And tatawid lang kami dun sa part na yon. As you can see, that's the Omar Ali Saifuddin Mosque. And it cost $1 or $2 per person to cross the river. Nice experience, right? Hi! Okay, we're now back here sa mainland. Yung ride na yon, $1 each lang yung siningil niya sa amin, which is yun naman daw talaga yung presyo sa pagtawid from this area to the Kampong Ayer. So hanapin lang namin yung Happy Shop. Yun yung bilihan ng mga souvenir dito. So from waterfront, sa tapat lang niya yung Happy Star. Meron dyang mga souvenir like rep magnet na pwede nyo mabili. Pabili na kami ng magnet.
I haven't seen police yet. I want to see them, like how they look police. Do they set up like cannons?
So guys, we're now here in Omar Ali Saifuddin Mosque and we just found out na merong event ngayon where they gonna fire this cannon after 6:30 or 6:31. That's the sign na pwede na silang kumain. And we saw a lot of people here with their tables, their chairs, and meron silang mga food and magpipiknik sila. I'm so excited to experience this event here sa Brunei. So, ang gagawin namin is pupunta kami sa local market and then bibili kami ng pagkain and babalik kami dito. Dito kami kakain para mapanood din namin yung canyon firing nila. I've mentioned this already sa mga video ko yesterday and the other day na among all the Southeast Asian countries na napuntahan namin, locals in Brunei is the nicest and kindest people that we encounter. Very friendly. Pag nakasalubong ka nila, ngingiti sila sa'yo, babatiin ka. So it's almost 6:30 and ganitong oras, ubusan na yung pagkain sa market since malapit na silang kumain. video?
Yes. Thank you. Just one is.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
This is their local food. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Wow.
Generosity,
Sobrang nice ng people dito.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم لك صمت وبك آمنت برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين يا الله
Good morning guys, or good afternoon. It's our last day here in Brunei. We already checked out and yung flight namin is 4 p.m. pa. Pupunta lang kami ulit dun sa kinainan namin na restaurant nearby. It's currently 12 in the afternoon, so we still have time since 10 minutes lang yung airport from here sa center. So we're just gonna go here again.
We're not allowed to eat. Next problem.
So update guys, our initial plan is kumain dun sa restaurant, but then we realized na hindi nga pala pwede kumain sa labas until 6:30. So papunta na kami ngayon sa airport para doon na lang kami magpalipas ng oras. So now we're here at the airport and as you can see, may mosque sa airport nila dito and ang ganda ng mosque. How empty. It's currently 12:35, so we still need to wait. And we will check if pwedeng kumain. So, update guys. We're now here sa Jollibee and we already ordered our food. And we asked the cashier kung pwedeng kumain. And sabi niya is, inside establishment, bawal kumain. Even drinking, bawal. But she told us na pwede kaming kumain doon sa labas ng establishment.
Ready.
We got our food now and we confirm again and again sa crew if it's allowed to drink here, and she said yes, it's allowed. So guys, if you're Bruneian and you're seeing this, just comment down below if it's really allowed for us, because we don't want to break any rules. We want to respect the rules here during Ramadan. So we are here at the airport. So this is their nasi lemak. Merong dilis and then yung sauce and then yung chicken. And then ito yung chicken feta nila. And guys, look at this. Only around 50-60 pesos and ganito siya kalaki. Compare sa Pinas na kalahati lang. Tignan nyo naman gano'ng kalaki. We already went through the immigration and we're now here sa boarding area dito sa Brunei Airport. And ang ganda ng airport nila. So update guys, we will be boarding our flight to Kuala Lumpur soon. And this ends our Brunei travel vlog here. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!